In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Fresha Business account, a comprehensive guide for 2025. If you've decided it's time to move on from the platform, maybe you're downsizing or simply shifting your business strategy, I'm here to help you through this process, step by step. Let's make sure you do it smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you need to log into your business admin dashboard on Fresha. This is typically the same way you would access your account to manage your business activities, services, and bookings. Take a moment to ensure you're logged in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses or have different logins. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to navigate your way to the settings or account management sections. Think of these sections as the heart of your account, holding the controls to customize how your account operates. It's within these settings that we can find the options relevant to deleting your account. Keep an eye out for terms like close account, delete account, or deactivate account. Different platforms might use varied terminology, but they essentially mean the same thing, ending your association with the service. After you've located the correct section, proceed to select the delete account option. It's crucial here to be absolutely certain about this decision as it may be irreversible. Deleting an account often means permanently losing access to data, bookings, and other important business information associated with the profile. As for maintenance, remember to organize your remaining business activities. Typically, it's a good practice at the start or end of each day or week to move any relevant cards or client information to the correct list or platform you may be migrating to, ensuring no essential details are left behind or neglected. This helps in keeping everything streamlined. Make sure you read any final on-screen prompts from Fresha. They might provide important information on what will happen to your data once the account is closed, and perhaps offer alternative solutions if applicable, such as pausing the account instead. Once you have completed these steps, your Fresha Business account will be deleted. As a final tip, I suggest keeping a record of any confirmations you receive from the platform stating that your account has been successfully deleted, either by capturing a screenshot or noting down reference numbers. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough of how to delete your Fresha Business account. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you the information you need to proceed with confidence. If you have any lingering questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and updates. Let's take this journey to business optimization together and see you next time.